Hello everyone. Here is another video of Lexi and Liam's 7 puppies born on October 25th, 2017. I've just cleaned the pen, so a good time to take a video. A few little spots there, but with 7 puppies, major poop patrol. Anyway, you know, things go quickly. They're completely weaned. We're over the mushy kibble now, and they're onto the dry. Lapping it up in leaps and bounds. And water. Oh, we see, who's that? Mr. Red having a nap. They're all different moods with 7. He's decided to take a nap. The others are in play mode. They can get over the middle part. Back and forth very easily now. It's a big difference this week. Little monsters. They're going to just get bigger now and fatter. Their teeth are out, so that's why I can put them on dry kibble now. It's just a matter of playtime and growing like a weed these last few weeks, the last 3 weeks. So there we go. Lots of room to run back and forth. I'm going to take them out though too, let them run around on the ground. For short periods, when they're 7, that's the way it goes. Okay, they're all doing well. Oh, there's 3 in the corner. Of course, they all freeze when the camera's on, don't you? Oh, that's Mr. Orange. Miss Orange, sorry. There we go, some over there playing. The 3 bandits. Oh, woke up from his nap. Deciding whether he's going to go back over. Come on, come on. Show us how you can do it. Come on. Come on. They all get back and forth really well. Come on. They mostly play and sleep on this side with the toys. And they're learning to do their business on the other side where the food and the water is. I don't leave the food out overnight though, but I pretty well leave it 3 to 4 times. At the beginning, they just devour it. Oh. Yeah, see? There we go. You're just going to stare at me now. Yeah. There's Diego. Diego. And Lexi. Hey, you're done. You're fed up with your babies. Lexi, look up. Hey, good girl. Okay. Dad Liam is out of town. He lives with a family in Ottawa. Okay. Go on this side. Follow me. Well, hope you enjoyed this week's video. Just a matter of time now. Okay, I'll try and get close-ups with everyone. Hey, hi there. They look like they're in sleep mode. Who's that one on the bottom? Oh, that's Miss Purple. Yeah. Hi there. Hey, Miss Yellow. Hi. Hi, Mr. Red. Hello, everyone. Hey, you napped through the whole video. Anyway, see you next time. Bye-bye.